Hey everybody, welcome to Zoho Analytics Solutions. Ever wondered how businesses discover which products are bought together frequently? Some product relationships are obvious, like bread and butter, laptops, and laptop bags. You don't need advanced analytics to identify them. But then, there are correlations that aren't obvious at all, like the well-known example of beer and diapers bought together. Across thousands of transactions, certain products consistently appear together. When related products are placed together, they move faster and the purchase is more. Let's see how this works with Zoho Analytics. Here we are working with a transactional data set from an e-commerce store. Each row represents a purchase, including the items, order ID, quantity, and the timestamp. To understand product relationships, we first need to generate all possible item combinations within each transaction. And this is done using a self-join query. Pairing items that appear within the same order, we also ensure each combination is counted only once, therefore avoiding duplicate or reversed pairs. Next, we calculate how often each combination actually occurs. So instead of counting rows, we count distinct transactions. So this gives us the true frequency of each pair. And next, we bring both data sets together using a left join query. All possible combinations along with how often they occur. For combinations that don't appear together, we assign a value of 0. And with the prepared data, now we can visualize these relationships using a heat map. Before we move on to the chart, let's take a quick look at the tables and query tables we've made for this report. In this, each axis represents an item and the color intensity reflects how often pair occurs together, and the strong associations stand out instantly. So instead of scanning raw data, we can immediately identify high-frequency combinations, and these patterns can directly inform product placements, bundling strategies, and cross-sell decisions. What was previously hidden in transactional data is now clearly visible and ready to drive decisions. And apart from this, you can also share this with your team. In the upcoming videos, we'll continue to explore the advanced analytics solutions and how they transform complex data into actionable clarity. Thank you.